Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today I'll be patching this pair of distressed jeans. This is the area I'll be working on, and I'll patch from the inside of the jean. This way it'll still look kind of cool with the distressing, and yet it'll offer a little more coverage, and it'll also offer more stability for when I run the jeans through the wash. This denim is from a pair of old jeans. I'll use the opposite side because I think it'll match better. First we'll turn the jeans inside out. I want to cut the patch a little bit larger than the size of the opening, maybe about an extra ½ inch or so around the perimeter. I'm just eyeballing and trimming until we get the right size. As I pin, I have my hand between the two layers of fabric. This way I don't accidentally pin them together. Now we can head to the machine. First, I'll remove the accessory part from my machine so I can slip the pant leg onto the free arm. As I'm pulling it through, I'm making sure that the material isn't bunched up underneath so that it doesn't get accidentally sewn together. Once I lower the presser foot to hold it down in place, I'll pull out this pin that's in the way, and I'll go slowly so that there's plenty of time to pull the next pin out. And you want to be careful not to sew over any pins because that could hurt your machine, and you also want to be careful of your fingers getting in the way. I start off with a back stitch, and I'm using white thread since the area that I'm patching is faded to a very light shade. And this is just stop and go with a little sewing and then turning the fabric, so you don't have to worry about being too perfect stitching it. Every time I need to stop to turn the fabric, I raise the presser foot but leave the needle in place, then I turn the fabric and lower the presser foot back down and continue to sew until I get to the end. So that is nice and secure. And then when we flip the jeans inside out, we can snip that thread. And you can see it just gives it a different look. And you really can't even see the stitching around because of the white thread. Here's what they look like on. You can see the left upper side still has to be patched, but just wanted to show you what it looked like in comparison to the side that's already done. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, please subscribe, and we'll catch you next time.